Hey guys, Tanya from TLC Refinishing. I just want to show you where I'm at on this Western Star. I have it in primer. I use an industrial primer. I'm hoping it sounds good. I cleaned the diesel tanks and painted the frame, the tires, like the rims, and the bumper. I used a gravel guarder on the bumper. It's a bit of a half-assed job, but the customer just wanted to make it look a little better. So I used a rust paint. I took out the carpet in the interior. I'm going to put a rubber carpet in, a rubber mat. And I have to sand it and paint, and hopefully it'll get done this week, I'm hoping. Okay, thanks guys. Hope you have a great week. If you'd like to watch more, you can like and subscribe. Thanks.
started on a tour with a total stranger. My band left me for broke. Into the gulch, into the throat of danger. We fought, the band and I, who should take on the role of driver. My eyes laden with mud. I'm tired, and my tires are tired. Tender States Russian River. I can call home, where my mind could laugh out loud at the saddest songs, where I don't know to cry, where a relative dies, where I do what I want, and I want to be done, where time sits still in the attic dust, and let's rhythm tick.
I'm going to be working on this diesel tank, and I'm going to try to brighten it up. I have a product called Aqualume. It's supposed to be a cleaner and a brightener. You mix it 40-1. I've never used the product, but we're going to try it out.
Break with all your might, make a high rise. At the arena in separate cars, they got dressed in different styles, and the judge held a coin up high. Who fights bare hands and who gets the knife? One was black and one was Mexican. One was a Pole and an Italian. One from Vietnam, one just a down local one, but they all had one mother tonight. And we fuckers lasted for a fight. She was a judge, and she flipped their lives. Who gets the knife, and who gets to kiss their wife goodnight? Coin toss, and with Sally Ray, the lights are dim, but the eyes are bright. Oh, the cage sparkled with blood, because they didn't hose it off after that fight. And to you, my love, I will my skin. You can wear it for a change of scene. Try to walk around where I have been, but beware, the skin is thin. And to you, my son, I will my bones. You can use them for your college loans. If you need a spine to stand firm, prop yourself with my backbone. To my cat I will my front teeth. certain things I couldn't believe. Sleeping on the bed with crumpled sheets, a reminder of my chewed up dreams. And to my friends I leave my arsenal, all my cages with the prey let out. Try to hunt them with your bare hands, that's the ceiling of a true friend. I call heads, 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 I call heads.
Like a neon.